Hey, Dave Demangos here at eXp Realty, and finally the market, San Diego market, has adjusted a little bit into a buyer's favor. So let me show you a couple of the emails I've been getting from other agents. As you can see here, price reduced, newer home with upgrades. How about this one? Just reduced, open house. Drastically reduced, seller says sell it. You ever heard that saying? Sell the property before the buyer or the seller hates you? That could be going on here. Just reduced, condo in La Costa Hills. Reduced and motivated seller. So what does this all mean? Here's another one. Price reduction, open house, Saturday, Sunday, exclamation mark. So this just means is this a crash? Absolutely not. It's a market adjustment. So what's happened is we all know that the interest rates have increased, which has priced some of the buyers out of the market. However, we have a webinar coming up on Wednesday. It's gonna be private, and then I'm gonna publish it. But it's the power of a possible adjustable rate mortgage for you or those that you know and love, or anybody you'd like to refer to me. Remember, you can marry the home, but you can always date the rate. So we have some things that are going to be disclosed in this that may help the person you know looking to buy in this market. So again, Dave Demangos over here at eXp Realty, 858-232-8410. And remember, we go to extremes to fulfill real estate dreams. Look out for that recording. I'll share it on all social media. Take care. Have a great day.